Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me in this video today. After so many requests and comments that I have received from all of you for my trading strategy, so this is the first part in which I will be giving you my strategy, a very simple one, the ABCD pattern. I will be showing you that on the real charts as well on the past data. Plus, if there is any further questions you have in your mind regarding this strategy, you will be able to ask me that in the comment section down below. And definitely any confusions you have in your mind, I'm going to solve that. I will try to cover this whole strategy in up to 5 videos. The strategy is not very hard. You must be thinking that it is a very difficult strategy. It is a very simple strategy. If I show you right here, this is A, B, this is C, and that is the D. In some situations I look for D, E, and F, but in the coming episodes of this strategy video, I will be covering this wave and this wave as well. For now, in this video I will just be sticking with the A to B, B to C, and C to D leg of the move. Plus I will also be explaining that what are the main reasons for this as a start point and for this as a end point, or I should say profit taking area, and from right here waiting for next move of the market. So strategy is not very difficult right here, not very complex. Even I will be showing you that on the real charts, and you will be amazed to see that how much potential profits you can get from this ABCD pattern strategy. And if you master it forever and ever, you will be making nice trading decisions with this. Remember everyone, most of the traders, let's say this is a support, most of the traders are stuck right here on a sell trade and on a stuck on a buy trade right here. Now most of you, everyone understands it that this is a sell area and this is a buy area. So if you understand this particular strategy with me and with my guidance, it will be completely reversed. Your buys will be right here and your sells will be up there. Plus also by using this strategy you can very easily, like risk to reward, you can manage that very easily. You can risk management very easily, because and reward taking, obviously that is even more important. So with this strategy, the one that I have developed in over 8 years of forex trading, and it was almost present before that, but for some reasons working in this industry, I came to know that very few people know about it, and there is a very small chunk of people who just understand this strategy and not letting it public for every retail trader to make profits with it, right? So very simple one right here. I will be doing it once again. This is ABCD so that it prints in your mind and you remember it forever. This is A, this is B, this is C, and that is going to be the D. Now before discussing the stop losses and the risk management and all of that, in this video I may not be going into the details of that. I just want to let you know about this pattern, and I want to show you, and even I'm showing it live on my channel in my videos, that this pattern is going to be repeated each and every day. Each and every day, several times this pattern is repeated and the traders are making money out of it. Now in order to identify, let me write it down. Identification of it is identify Now in order to identify, since I know that most of the traders they stuck at buy right here, so I can assume that those traders who are taking buy positions right here are misguided in some way. They might not be using the strategy in a very right manner. Similarly right here, the traders who are stuck on a sell, they are also not taking this strategy, or they are not identifying the pattern very nicely. Because remember, in the market at the same time there will always be, and you have to remember this thing, there will be a bullish and a bearish pattern. So the example that I gave is the bullish one, and the bearish is this one, in which starting point is the top A, and then like this. So this is the bearish one. Keep that in mind. It will be helping you when I will be giving it a practical try on the live charts. So A, B, and that's going to be the C, and that's going to be the D. Certain rules that I will be giving you about it, but you have to stay with me for that. So similarly right here, now this is the start point, and this is the end or the finish or the profit taking point right here, right? So, and remember, point C will be 61.8% retracement. Most of you may get it, but I will be going to explain it in this whole videos series, this whole strategy, the concept. So once you identify the bullish or the bearish, because at the same time there will be both present in the market. Remember, if a market is going like this, at the same time there will like if we see the pullback must also be ABCD pattern, A, B, C and the D, and at the same time it will be on a bullish wave as well, A, B, C, and that's going to be the D. And out of these ABCD patterns, ABCD patterns and repetitive repetition of these are repeated each and every day. Now more thing you need to remember, I want to just repeat it a little bit once again. In a bullish one, A, B, C, D, graphically on a chart it will look something like this to you, and on a bearish it will be something like this. Now there are several ways of trading it. Remember, at point A right here and point A up there, since this is bearish, at point A we are looking for support, right? At point A we are looking for support for a bullish uptrend ABCD pattern, and right here we are looking for a resistance, like both are inverse to each other. This is the 61.8% retracement very nicely, and in a bullish or bearish market, you even in a bullish market counter trend trades you can trade. And right here, if you see A to B, the simplest way to trade is, and which is I personally traded, if let's suppose I'm this is like a market right here, right? So if this is a market with just clear bullish waves right here, A, B, C, and maybe the D is somewhere up there. So if I see it right here, and if I see that the trend is bouncing off, there is a very nice trend, we have a previous break of structure, then I can easily take it from right here, and you just see the stop loss will be right here and the TP will be up there. So remember, this strategy will also be giving us some nice risk management levels as well. Now I just want to show you this one, and you can easily be doing it with the Fibonacci tool. So Fibonacci tool, yes, you can do with it. If you see right here, I have a chart, this is a past data, And let's suppose there is one practical thing. You may say that, okay, Aftab, this is very simple. This is A, and when it is formed, when it is completed, and if let's suppose this pattern is almost present right here, like from right here, let's say, and if I see and if I spot it that, okay, I have got an ABCD pattern, spotting it right here can also open further doors for me to take some good trade opportunities. So once you spot this pattern, it can give you another one, another 61.8, and another trade opportunity, which I will be covering in the future videos. So for now, one important thing, and that is, if I want to see how the market is if I this whole zone, I'm like right here, want to trade in this whole zone, how I will be taking a trade. First of all, I have to see that from up there the market dropped till here. So the first thing first, if I say I'm going to sell, I will tell myself that no, my friend, don't sell right now. Why? Because the market dropped very heavily right here, so please don't sell. This is the first thing, so no sell. So obviously if it dropped, I'm going to look for a bullish opportunity. If I'm looking for a bullish opportunity, I will see that, okay, this trend that is coming down, down, obviously I will be looking for the break of it. Okay, for the break of it. It dropped, it gave 61.8% retracement. It must be tradable, it must not be tradable. Maybe if you are looking at it right here on the H4, you can find a nice entry on M15, M5 or M30, maybe H1 as well. And this is what I have seen in my practice. So how we will know that the trend is finally now over is when we get a break above this whole area. And right here we have got it. Even we have got this A, this is B, 61.8% retracement at C, that is the D. Even we have got a very nice double top up there. Double top, another concept that I will be explaining that, and it is deep down further topic in itself. And the market dropped. If I measure this whole move from right here till there, like this, it will be 61.8% retracement, a buy trade, and the market continues back up to complete this A, B, C, D. Like it will be something like this. Let me change the color. It will be something like this, another ABCD pattern. Now just have a look at it and just see what I just said is, you need this pattern to identify and predict as well. A, B, C, D. This is the bullish and that is the bearish. A, B, C, D. And I will be showing you this right now. Have a look at it right here. Isn't it an A, B, C, D? It is. Then a drop, another 61, but I'm not just going into the details of that. So A, B, C, D, and at point D, what you do? You do the opposite. Here people did the opposite. Profits made, followed by another 61, which is this A, this is B, C, and that's going to be the D. Very like extremely easy strategy it is, but my friend, you have to just understand few concepts, not too much. The first, you have to get used to this bullish and this bearish pattern and how physically it looks like. The second thing you have to decide is, since if you want to follow me, I am a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement trader, right? So that is again good, 61.8% retracement. What other thing is, yes, this is pretty much it. The other thing is right here, point A should be a support. Isn't it a support? If I show you that, if you are trading, if I'm doing this on a H4 on the daily, chart, on the daily chart, what it will be showing me that this is almost 61.8% retracement of some bigger impulsive wave that I again will be covering in another video. But for this video, I think this much is enough. If I go beyond it, it may confuse you. Remember one more thing. This one, the bullish one, will have certain levels. You can trade point B, you can trade C, you can trade D. Anytime you get a chance, you will be finding point A, B, C, D in the markets. Plus you can intraday trader, if you are an intraday one, you can look for a breakout right here. Just like if I was looking at the market right here, and let's say if it's showing me a sell option but I'm looking for a buy, still it will be helping me that okay, wait for this breakout, a confirmation, and then take a buy trade. So even it will save me from taking those bad trading decisions. One concept. The other one is, if I'm going to take I'm bullish from right here, the recent, if it forms a top up there, it will be giving me that information in advance. So this is the strategy. I hope if I show you and if you follow it correctly, I can assure you that like 61.8% retracement, just have a look at it, 172 pips, and barely the market just went against. See, so there must be something very special about these Fibonacci numbers, these trend breakouts. But for that, you have to follow me, you have to understand this strategy. This is not something of 1 day, 2 day or 3 days. If you want to learn it free of cost right here, every day, come here. In next few couple of months you will be a master of it. If you want to do it a bit early, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number, and I can give you like a course which will make your life very easy. You will be just understanding it in like 3 to 4 months in regular Monday to Friday classes, one-on-one. So this was the strategy. I hope you must have at least got some idea, because any forecast, remember, any forecast that I'm going to upload on my channel will be based on this ABCD pattern, and from now on I will be like teaching it, because it has been tested 80% of the time, a proven nice strategy of the successful people. So I think this is it. Make sure if you have any confusions, do let me know about it, because if they need any explanation, I can explain that in the tomorrow's episode, which will make my job easy, and it will also be like helping me refine the strategy further for you. It is almost like the purest strategy in its nature till now so far, but once I know what problems you are facing, it will be even helping me further make it easy for the retail traders to make more profits, because I know the hedge funds and those bigger companies are making big profits on this strategy. And when we say that no, this is just smart money, they are just looking for 20 and 30 pips, no my friends, this is not the case. Today I'm telling you, this is not the case. Smart money and all of those things, they have a lot of capital, and I'm just doing it with a $60,000, and results are right here in front of you. I made 1st June till today around 25%, which is on average like 26%. So on average it is 13% a month, and this is August. It will further be giving me nice profits. So all of those concepts, forget about it. Just understand this strategy, and the psychology part, it like that is built in with this strategy, because at each and every point it will be giving you some nice calculations on the basis of which you can decide your trading direction. I wish you good luck for your good future. I will see you in the next part of this same video. I will be making a playlist. Make sure to do follow that as well. Till next video, take a lot of care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.